A late-life breakup destroys your deeply ingrained daily routines and abruptly collapses decades of shared personal history. This clearing allows you to take the pen back and write your own final chapters exactly how you want them. The post-breakup power plan provides a structured framework to replace that sense of helplessness with absolute control over your environment. Gather 3 specific tools right now: your smartphone, a physical calendar or planner, and a pen with paper. By the end of this video, you will move past mindset and execute 3 physical actions to take back command of your focus and your future. The first mental trap for men over 60 is looking back at 30 years and believing that time was wasted. This explains the sunk cost fallacy. Those past decades form a dense core of wisdom, tuition paid to know what you need. But note what happens when you check her social media. The core leaks energy into the feed, draining focus needed to build your next chapter. Take up your phone right now. Go through your social media apps and unfollow, mute, or block your ex on every platform. This is a pragmatic reallocation of your attention. It ensures your resources are no longer being spent on her life. Severing this digital tie ensures your energy is spent on your own future, instead of observing her present. The silence of an empty house often triggers a biological urge to immediately find a new relationship to fill the void. This is the time for personal mastery. You're finding fulfillment within yourself as a defense against relationship dependency. Identify one hobby or passion you shelved because the relationship didn't leave room for it. Look at the Saturday slot in this planner. Open your own calendar and write down a dedicated 2-hour block for that activity this week. Keep this first session simple and local. The goal is to begin the work, not to plan an expensive or overwhelming project. Consistent self-fulfillment changes your perspective. You move from needing companionship to strictly choosing it. Power in this chapter comes from holding unyielding boundaries. Instead of looking for someone to complete you, you are looking for someone who qualifies to enter your peace. Take your pen and paper. Write down 3 specific behaviors you will never tolerate again in a partner. Look at this card. Vague phrases like "no drama" are impossible to measure. You need actionable rules, like refusing to tolerate someone who disrupts your peace as a test. Keep this physical shield list in your wallet or on the refrigerator as a daily reminder of your standards. Deciding your peace is more valuable than your fear of being alone effectively removes the breakup's influence over your life. You've cleared your digital space, locked in a session for mastery, and defined your boundaries. The dead wood is burning away, creating fertile space for entirely new growth to take root in your life. You have the wisdom of 60 years and the freedom of a young man. That is a potent combination. Share the hobby you just wrote into your calendar in the comments below. To understand why this radical independence is your greatest asset, watch the video on why men over 60 should avoid girlfriends.